Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take a look at your Cash App balance. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, we are going to and be needing the Cash App application. So if you do not already have the application, what you can do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. So go ahead and open up your App Store, and once you open up, go ahead and open up the search bar and search for Cash App. By searching for Cash App, it's going to enable us to go ahead and open up the application by installing it. So install the application, and once you open it up, you can go ahead and get started logging into your account, either using your phone number or with your login details, whichever way you prefer. And once you log in, now we can get started. So guys, as you can see, immediately once we open up the main page, we are going to be greeted by this home page right here. As you can see, the main menu in the home page is going to enable us to manage our cash balance, and this is where we can take a look at our cash balance. So if you have not opened up this page, if you're in some different page, look right here at the bottom of the screen where you can find all the sections that you can access. And as you can see, the bottom left corner has a house icon. This is what you want to click, guys. This is going to be your home page. So click on the home page, and once you click on it, it's going to enable you to open up this main page from where you can go and manage your cash balance. So just tap on your cash balance, it's going to open up all your info, how you can top up your cash balance, how you can spend it, and so on. And this is where you can find all your options. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.